Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashri. Okay, and today, okay, we are going to talk about social science. Okay, so what is social science? क्या आपको पता है social science में क्या क्या आता है? Social science में आती है information, जिसमें आती है information about you. Information about things in general, information about science हो गया, transport हो गया, we're going to talk about history, we are going to talk about geography. So we are going to talk about everything in detail. Okay, so in this book we are going to talk about, say, the world, we are going to talk about the time, the travel, we are going to talk about yourself. Okay, so are you ready to take this journey with me, जहाँ पे हमें in depth knowledge मिलने वाला है about all these different concepts, and I'm sure when you come across these things in reality you are going to relate it in a much better manner, and it's going to be easy for you to understand कि हमारे आस पास ये सारी चीजें होती कैसे है और क्यों होती है. राइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके आसपास घर है, सो व्हाई डू वी नीड अ हाउस. सो ये सारी जनरल टॉपिक्स है जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स टेक दिस जर्नी. लेट्स बिगिन.
Unit 3, Time and Travel. Chapter 9, Festivals we celebrate. So children, we all know that in our country we celebrate a lot of festivals. हमारा ऐसा देश है जहाँ पे अलग अलग किस्म के त्योहार लोग मनाते हैं, क्योंकि in India you will find people who follow different religions. And when you follow different religions, you tend to celebrate a lot of religious festivals. Apart from that, India is such a country who was under the British rule, and then it got independent. So we also celebrate certain national festivals to celebrate the victory of our country. Okay, and we also celebrate it in the honor of people who have done something for our country. Okay, apart from that, जब देखते हो आपकी अलग अलग सीजन्स के हिसाब से हम लोग के जो फार्मर्स होते हैं वो अलग अलग किस्म की खेती करते हैं. So they sow the seeds as per different seasons. Okay, so in order to honor the agricultural fields that we have, we celebrate something that is known as the harvest festivals, because that's when the farmer starts with the new harvest. So अलग अलग किस्म के festivals हम लोग celebrate करते. So let's talk about that in detail in this chapter. Firstly, let's find out why do we celebrate festivals, and then we will find out the different types of festivals we celebrate. Okay? So, the first question, why do we celebrate festivals? So, festivals, they are fun. They are celebrated all over the world. Festivals bring everyone together, both young and old. So festivals या त्योहार जो होते हैं जब हम उनको celebrate करते हैं, what happens is everyone comes together, they wear new clothes, they eat sweets and they exchange gifts. So many different traditions we follow, and we celebrate them all together, whether it's a child or an old person, and it's fun to celebrate the festivals. So now let's talk about the different types of festivals. National festivals. So as I said, in order to honor our country, okay, जिस देश में हम लोग रहते हैं उस देश को honor करने के लिए हम celebrate करते हैं national festivals. So festivals celebrated by the entire country together are called national festivals. In India, the following national festivals are celebrated. So ये जो फेस्टिवल्स होते ये पूरा देश मनाते हैं, irrespective of whatever caste, community, religion you belong to. Everyone celebrates these. Okay. So the first one is Independence Day. It is celebrated on August 15th every year. It was on this day that India gained freedom from the British rule in 1947. On this day, the Prime Minister of India gives a speech at the Red Fort in Delhi and also unfurled the national flag. So, 15th August को in the year 1947, India ने British rule को हराया था, okay, and they won the freedom for our country. And the Britishers had to go back to their country, that is to England. So in order to honor that, okay, we celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August every year. So इस दिन रेड फोर्ट पे जो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर है वो अपना नेशनल फ्लैग अनफर्ल करते हैं और लोगों को एक स्पीच देते हैं, एड्रेस करते हैं. दे टेल अबाउट व्हाट आवर कंट्री हैज़ डन, ओके, एंड अपनी कंट्री के प्रोग्रेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, ओके. Okay, the next one is Republic Day. Okay, so it is celebrated on January 26th every year. On this day, a grand parade is held. The parade starts from the Raisina Hills in the neighborhood of the majestic Rashtrapati Bhavan. It passes along the Rajpath and ends at India Gate. There is a march past by the Army, Navy and Air Force. So, Republic Day is the day जब हमारा Constitution came into place, okay, and people started following that Constitution, okay, and they started following the all the acts or the rules that were written in that Constitution book. So, इस दिन इंडिया गेट के पास इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम रैसीना हिल्स, ओके, जो राष्ट्रपति भवन के पास है, वहाँ से परेड शुरू हो जाती है इंडिया गेट तक, ओके, और यहाँ पे मार्च पास्ट होती है बाय आर्मी पीपल, बाय द नेवी पीपल, बाय द एयर फोर्स पीपल, ओके, एंड इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड नॉट ओनली बाय दीज पीपल बट ऑल्सो बाय द सिटीजन्स ऑफ द कंट्री हु रिप्रेजेंट द डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री. So, the parade also includes colorful floats and lively performances by school children. The parade ends with the fly past of the Air Force planes and showering of flowers on the people at India Gate. So, Air Force के planes से petals डालते हैं, rose petals या flowers होते हैं जो लोगों के ऊपर छिड़काव होता है उसका. There is a shower of that on people at the India Gate. Then you have Gandhi Jayanti. So, India के freedom struggle में महात्मा गांधी played a very big role, and that is the reason why his birthday, which falls on the 2nd of October, is celebrated nationwide. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti, and Gandhiji is called the father of our nation. He believed in peace, truth and non-violence. So, Mahatma Gandhi ko people also called the father of the nation, okay, and he always believed in truth, okay, peace and non-violence, okay, that was his funda, and that is what he implemented when he was a part of the freedom struggle. Now, let's talk about the other category of festivals, which is the religious festival. People follow different religions all over the country. The festivals they celebrate are called religious festivals. Okay, so हमारी country में अलग अलग लोगों के अलग अलग religions होते हैं, they follow different religions. Okay, so ये जो religious festivals होते हैं वो अलग type के होते हैं. It all depends on the religion also that they follow. But if you see कि India is a country which is united, okay, so although it is diverse but still they all believe in unity in diversity, okay, and that is the reason why everyone comes together and celebrates these festivals. Okay, so let's talk about Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It marks the end of winter and the beginning of summer. People gather around a huge bonfire on Holi Eve. The next day, people splash color water on each other and apply gulal. On Holi, special sweet gujiyas is made at home. So, Holi जो है उसको festival of colors भी कहते हैं. Okay, and जब Holi is generally celebrated in the month of March. Okay, और तब it marks that the winter season is over now और अभी summer season शुरू हो रहा है. ओके, और दे कम अराउंड अ ह्यूज बॉनफायर, उसके आगे आते हैं, वो उसकी पूजा करते हैं, एंड देन दे नेक्स्ट डे पीपल सेलिब्रेट इट विथ कलर्ड वाटर एंड ऑल्सो दे अप्लाई गुलाल टू ईच अदर, एंड दैट इज हाउ दे सेलिब्रेट एंड दे ईट द स्पेशल डिश विच इज नोन एज गुजियाज ऑन दैट डे. Next is Diwali. So Diwali is the festival of lights. Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after living in a forest for 14 years on this day. People decorate their houses with candles and diyas on Diwali. They also wear new clothes and exchange sweets. So Diwali जो है उसको festival of lights भी कहते हैं. ओके, तो इसी दिन लॉर्ड राम जो थे, ओके, वो अयोध्या लौट आए थे. ओके, उनके 14 साल का वनवास खत्म करके ही केम बैक टू हिज होम. ओके, एंड पीपल, दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई पीपल सेलिब्रेट एंड यू नो विथ लाइट्स, ओके, बाय you know with the diyas and candles around their houses. They wear new clothes and they also exchange sweets. Next is Eid ul Fitr. Okay, Ramazan is the holy month in which Muslims fast. So Muslims जो है, Muslim religion वाले लोग जो होते हैं, वो एक पूरा महीना फास्ट करते हैं, wherein they do not eat anything from sunrise to sunset. Okay, and they fast throughout the day. After that fast is over, एक महीने के बाद they celebrate this festival called Ramazan Eid. Okay, so Eid ul Fitr is celebrated after Ramazan. On this day, Muslims embrace and wish each other Eid Mubarak. They offer namaz in mosque and eat a sweet dish called sevaiya. So इस दिन they meet each other on the day of Eid. They wish each other Eid Mubarak, and then they go to the mosque. They offer prayers which is known as namaz. Okay, and then on this day a special sweet dish is made which is known as sevaiya. Christmas. So Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to the church to pray and sing Christmas carols. They also decorate Christmas trees. Children wait for Santa Claus to receive gifts. So Christmas is generally celebrated by Christian people, okay, the people who follow Christian religion. But yes, actually it is a festival which is of Christian religion, but everyone all around the world also celebrates this festival. Okay, so इस festival को Lord Jesus Christ was born. Okay, people go to the church, they pray, they sing Christmas carols. Okay, also they decorate their houses and Christmas tree as well. और इस दिन बच्चे जो होते हैं वो वेट करते हैं कि सांता क्लॉज आएगा रात को और उनको देगा अच्छे अच्छे बढ़िया से गिफ्ट्स. नेक्स्ट इज गुरुपुरब. सो गुरुपुरब जो है ये सिख लोगों का फेस्टिवल होता है जनरली. ओके, सो बट एज आई सेड in India people celebrate all the festivals. Okay, so on Gurupurab Sikhs remember one of their 10 gurus. Okay, for example we celebrate Guru Nanak's birthday as Guru Nanak Jayanti. So verses from the Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of the Sikhs, are recited. People eat langar from a common kitchen. Langar is a free meal service in a gurudwara. So Guru Purab generally Sikh लोगों का फेस्टिवल होता है. तो इस दिन वो क्या करते हैं, तो उनके जो 10 गुरुज है उसमें से एक गुरु है गुरु नानक देव जी, तो उनका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. एंड उस दिन they sing the verses from the holy book of Sikhs, which is the Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, and they all have lunch together या फिर खाना एक साथ खाते, which is that food is known as langar. Okay, that जो खाना सर्व होता है उसको लंगर कहते हैं और सब लोग मिलके एक साथ बैठ के खाते हैं. Okay, now let's move on to the next category, which is the harvest festivals. So harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to be cut. We call them by different names in different parts of the country. So harvest festival जो होता है, जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि generally it happens when the crops are cut and new seeds are going to be sown in them. Okay, so ये अलग अलग states में celebrate होता है अलग अलग time पे of the year. Okay, so different names are given to these festivals. Alright, so let's talk about Bihu first. So Bihu is celebrated in Assam. People make and eat special dishes called pitha, which is sweet made of rice flour. Okay, laris, which is a sweet made of rice and coconut, and jolpan, which is a snack. Okay, so ये अलग अलग dishes जो है वो बनाते हैं and they eat it together, and they also it is celebrated, this festival is celebrated in Bihu. Okay, so people wear their traditional clothes, अलग अलग किस्म की मिठाई बनाते हैं, their traditional food is cooked on this day. Apart from that, women also wear colorful saris, they sing folk songs, and they perform their folk dances as well. So people celebrate this on a very high scale, and there are so many people in our country who go to this state to watch them celebrate this festival. The next one is Baisakhi. So this is a harvest festival which is celebrated on April 13th every year. Sikhs celebrate their new year on Baisakhi. Dances like Bhangra are performed on this festival. So, Baisakhi jo hai, it's a harvest festival of Sikhs. अब Sikh लोग जो होते हैं इसको अपना एक नया साल मानते, and they perform their dance forms which is known as Bhangra, okay, and they celebrate it on a large scale. Next is Pongal. Okay, so Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu में Pongal celebrate होता है, and people thank the sun god, they thank the rains and the farm animals that have helped in the harvest. तो इस दिन वो sun god को, बारिश को, and also the farm animals जो होते हैं उनको धन्यवाद कहते हैं, okay, because they have helped them in the harvest. They decorate their houses with kolam, which is a traditional rangoli that is made of rice powder. Okay, they cook rice with gur, which is jaggery, okay, and milk, and offer it to the sun god. So इस दिन वो एक खीर बनाते जिसमें rice और गुड़ डालते, गुड़ मिला के, okay, and they offer it to the sun god, thanking for the blessing that sun god is showering on them. Onam. So Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is the rice harvest festival. It lasts for 10 days. People decorate elephants, hold snake boat races, play games, and pray to King Mahabali. They wear new clothes and make rangoli of flowers. So Onam जो है वो केरला में celebrate किया जाता है. Okay, so it is the rice harvest festival. और ये जो festival होता है वो 10 दिन मनाया जाता है. Okay, और यहाँ पे अलग अलग किस्म के रेसेस होते हैं, हाथियों को सजाया जाता है, घरों को सजाया जाता है विथ फ्लावर्स. ओके, द रंगोलीज विच आर मेड हियर, दे आर मेड ऑफ फ्लावर्स. ओके, एंड ऑब्वियसली पीपल प्ले अ लॉट ऑफ गेम्स. ओके, दे वेयर न्यू क्लोथ्स एंड दे हैव दिस मील. उनका जो मील होता है उसको कहते हैं सद्या. ओके, सो ओनम में जो सद्या बनाते हैं उसमें अलग अलग किस्म की सब्जियाँ होती है, करीज होती है, एंड दे हैव इट ऑन अ बनाना लीफ. ओके, so now you have to check yourself. Look at the pictures and name the festivals each picture is related to. So ये जो pictures है ये उन festivals के बारे में जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है. ओके, तो आपको picture देख के बताना है ये कौन से festivals है. ओके, so now I know people all over the world celebrate festivals. Festivals are of two main types, religious and national. Festivals add joy to our lives. They bring friends and families close to each other. And in India, we celebrate Diwali, Holi, Eid, Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day, Pongal, etc. So, हमें पता है कि पूरे देश में अलग अलग किस्म के फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Not only that, there are people all around the world who celebrate festivals as per their country. Okay, so India is full of different types of religious festivals, harvest festivals, national festivals. Okay, and festivals का एक main चीज़ जो होता है कि वो सबको एक साथ जोड़ देता है. Okay, people come together सब एक साथ मिलजुल कर फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. दे ईट स्वीट डिशेस, दे वेयर न्यू क्लोथ्स, दे गो टू मीट पीपल एंड सेलिब्रेट विद देम. So that's the best part of our country. Alright, so I hope children now you know about the different festivals of India. Okay, so quickly reread the chapter and revise it. We have to do the exercises. So practice zone A, oral questions. When did India become free? So India का independence कब मिला? On 15th August 1947. Who takes the salute at the parade on the Republic Day? So Republic Day को salute कौन लेता है? The President of India takes the salute. Okay, and Prime Minister takes it on the Independence Day. Okay, which is at the Red Fort. All right. So tick the correct option. B. It is celebrated on August 15th every year. Independence Day, Republic Day or Diwali? It is Independence Day. Bihu is celebrated in Assam, Tamil Nadu or Kerala? In Assam. Alright, so likewise you have to do the rest of them. C. Fill in the blanks. Dash believed in peace, truth and non-violence. Who believed in peace, truth and non-violence? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so likewise do the rest of them. D. Match the following columns, column A with column B. Okay, so Holi, on the day of Holi what do we do? Okay, we apply gulal on each other's faces. Okay, so match 1 with option C and likewise do the rest of them. E. Answer the following questions. What is the difference between religious festivals and harvest festivals? So आपको बताना है religious festivals और harvest festivals के बीच में क्या difference है. Okay, religious is as per the religions that people follow. Harvest is to celebrate the crops that we grow. Okay, the harvest that is, you know, the seeds that we sow and, you know, the crops that we yield. Alright, तो उसके खुशी में हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं. सो आपको इसका आंसर डिटेल में देना है, उसके बाद में यू हैव टू डू द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Critical thinking. Do you think it is right to burst crackers during Diwali? And or is it harmful for the environment? Give reasons for your answers. तो हम सबको पता है कि दिवाली में सब लोग पटाखे फोड़ते हैं. Okay, so is it good to do that? Does it cause any harm to the environment? Okay, so think about it और उसका आंसर आपको लिखना है. Experiential learning. Find pictures of the various festivals that you have read about. Stick them in a scrapbook. So अभी जो भी हमने फेस्टिवल सीखा है, जिन भी फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में हम लोगों ने इन्फॉर्मेशन ली है, you have to gather the pictures and you have to paste them in a scrapbook. Life skills and value. Talk to your friends and neighbors to find out how they celebrate their religious festivals. Make a list of the food items that are made on their festivals. So आपको आपके neighbors से, आपके friends से बात करनी है कि कौन से festivals वो लोग celebrate करते हैं और उनको कैसे celebrate करते हैं और कौन से items, food items वो उस दिन बनाते हैं. Okay, but before you find out all these informations, do not forget that you have to read the chapter and complete the exercises. Okay.
So children, I am sure कि आपने अब तक जितने भी concepts मेरे साथ पढ़े हैं, those concepts are pretty clear now and you're going to start relating to them in reality also. तो ताकि आपको पता चलेगा कि how much you followed through whatever we have learned. So बच्चों, for that, what else do you need to do? Yes, absolutely true. You need to reread the chapter, revise whatever we have done properly. Okay, do not forget कि आपको सारे exercises complete करने हैं. If there is any project involved, any activity involved, वो भी करनी है. And you also have to share the knowledge about what you've learned with your friends, with your family and everyone around you. Alright, so until we meet again, thank you children. Bye-bye.